There is no truth to the MMDA warning mall owners to prohibit sale events to ease heavy traffic on the streets in the season of Advent and Christmas. Meanwhile, there is no denying TNVs are cherry-picking service hours on the road, choosing to go on duty when traffic is less heavy, even as commuters or patrons of TNVs complain of one-sided booking cancellation penalties. As we hear more from our Daniel Manalastas.
The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority denied reports of prohibiting mall-wide sales just to ease the heavy traffic, especially this holiday season. During the Senate Committee on Public Services hearing, the MMDA stressed it is not empowered to declare, let alone enforce such restriction, but they have an appeal.
We never banned or prohibit the mall-wide sale.
Meanwhile, during the hearing, problems troubling TNVS like Grab were raised, as there are reports of commuters having a hard time booking during rush hour and whenever it rains.
Marami hindi bumabiyahe at yung iba pinapalipas po yung traffic. Kaya po kailangan ma-incentivize po sila.
Senators also brought up the issue of some drivers canceling booked trips.
Pag pasahero mag-cancel, may 50 pesos na fine. Pag kayo nag-cancel, wala. Star lang pinagsasabi mo. Ba't gano'n? Lahat puro paborable sa inyo. Paano yung mga consumer ninyo?
Pasensya na po dun sa sitwasyon na yun. Pero pag ganun po, yung kabaliktaran naman po ay may kaukulan rin na penalties na nakukuha po ang driver sa paggamit po ng platform ng Grab.
Meanwhile, according to the LTFRB, violators are being penalized.
Is a penalty of 5,000 pesos. The violation is refusal to convey. Dahil tinanggap mo yung pasahero.
Aside from TNVS, senators also brought up issues hounding motorcycle taxis, like this complaint.
Yung helmet ng mga rider, paminsan-minsan linisan nyo kasi mapanhe, mabaho, may kuto. Meron pang sumakay, hindi nga, kilala ko, hindi ko na babanggitin. After a few days, may kuto na siya. Sir, may kuto na po ako.
Meron na namin pong helmet cleaner na ginagamit po sa mga iba't ibang stations. So talaga pong sa init po talaga ng araw, Mr. Chairman,
hindi
po natin
after.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.